How to convert EML to MBOX. Try SysTools EML to MBOX converter. Let's discuss key features first. Multi-format conversion. Convert EML and EMLX to MBOX, PDF, PST, and more. Bulk and selective processing. Convert multiple or filtered EML files. Smart features. Auto-detect, preview, and preserve attachments. Wide compatibility. Works with all email apps and Windows versions. To download the software, open Google and search for SysTools EML to MBOX converter. Now, click on the first link. Then click on the download button. Once downloaded, simply install the software on your system. This is the interface of the SysTools EML to MBOX converter tool. On the left panel, you can select your EML files. Choose a folder with EML files. Check the checkbox and click on it. Once selected, the EML file data will be displayed on the right panel. In the From column, user can see sender names. In Subject column, user can see subjects. Into column, user can see sender names. In Sent, user can when message was delivered. And in Received, user can see when message was received. In Size column, user can see data size of the EML file. Click on an email to view its details. In the normal mail view panel, you can see additional email header details. The email message is displayed at the bottom. You can also switch to a vertical view for better readability. Click on Switch View and select Vertical. This feature provides a more convenient way to view your emails. The Hex View panel shows the raw binary content of a file or memory location in a human-readable format. In the Properties view, you can see detailed email header properties. The Message Header view provides additional email headers. The MIME view, Multi-Purpose Internet Mail Extensions, shows details about the file format, such as whether it's an image, document, video, or audio file, based on its MIME type. The HTML view displays the email content in hypertext markup language, while the RTF view displays it in rich text format. In the Attachment section, you can see attached files, such as images, documents, or PDFs. You can also identify emails with attachments by the icon next to the sender's name. Now, let's convert these EML files to MBOX. There are two export methods. The first is Export Selected. Simply select the emails by checking the boxes, or check the top box to select all mails. Then click Export Selected on the right. This option is useful for exporting specific emails, but we need to export the entire dataset. To do that, we will choose the second method. At the top left, click on the Export button to open the main export settings. The SysTools EML to MBOX converter also allows you to export in other formats, such as PST, PDF, MSG, HTML, NSF, MHT, TXT, and Office 365. Since this video focuses on MBOX, we'll select that option. However, you can choose a different format if needed. Now, let's explore the additional settings. Click on the button to open them. Here, you'll find a date filter that lets you specify a start and end date, ensuring only data within that range is converted. For now, we'll leave this unchecked, but you can enable it if needed. Let's go back by clicking the Cancel button. In the destination settings, you need to specify a path for the exported data. By default, the path is set to the desktop, but you can click Browse to change it. There's also an option to create a single MBOX file for all folders. Enabling this will merge all EML files into one MBOX file. If left unchecked, each EML file will be converted separately. Once all settings are configured, click Export to start the process. After the export is complete, a confirmation message will appear. Click OK to continue. The software has also generated an export report, which can be useful for future reference. The first column displays the file name and file path. The second column shows the success count, which here is 13. The last column shows the fail count, which is 0. You can also save this report by clicking the Save button. Now open the exported folder to check the MBOX file. Here it is, our MBOX file. To view its contents, we'll use Mozilla Thunderbird, but you can use any compatible tool. After importing the MBOX file, you can see the data. Let's click on some emails to analyze the content. And that's it. That's how you can convert EML to MBOX using the SysTools EML to MBOX converter tool.
Log on to the product page for more details and to purchase the product. For any queries, email us at support@systoolsgroup.com.